Attention everyone, we have an important announcement. 2 male bikers have been seen peering into women's restroom windows. They were last spotted wearing adventure motorcycle clothing and helmets. If you see anyone matching this description, please report them to the authorities immediately. Your vigilance is appreciated. Thank you for helping keep our community safe. This is Chuck McGiggles, signing off.
Welcome back to part 2 on day 3, where our adventurous duo will be traveling from Smoo Cave to the Gairloch Hotel. But will they make it in time? Join us for this unforgettable journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's ride.
This is what we're here for. And chips of corn, naturally. Oh, Jesus. Oh, nice.
Civilization.
Some rapids there. That's the first car we've passed in about 3 hours.
Yeah. Oh, back here. Come on. That's why I let you go in front.
Look at that, man. Look at the rapids there.
A little bit of a beach. Did they bring you Speedos? Look at that, it's breathtaking. I don't know what this thing is down here, but it looks very military.
Yeah, that looks like, yeah, that down there, just from the untrained eye, appears to be something for fuel tankers to either offload or onload, so there might be a refinery nearby, or, well, that looks like storage tanks down there. That looks like storage tanks underneath there.
I think it's a jet wash for wheels.
It's a jet wash for whales, you're right. This is what I'm working with, man. This is what I'm working with here.
Everywhere you turn, it's just breathtaking.
Whoa, you're flicking rocks up at me. I'm gonna back off a bit. Bloody hell.
I'm not even sure if this is the right road.
Let's get there. Actually, let's keep it on for the Roses. The Highland Roses.
Why do you call them
Oh,
Roses?
don't worry. Was he going to pull in? I was going to pull in. He's take his time.
He's fine.
I don't. Highland Roses past the vibe check.
Yeah.
Oh, get out your fire line with them stones. Jesus. These roads just keep on giving, man.
Oh, look at this. Oh, Craig, look at this.
Switch that back on, Dave. I'm gonna have to switch it back on. You can't not. The thing is, it's like, it's not. Jesus Christ. Jesus. This is what I mean, right? Fucking 2 seconds later, I'm just gonna pull in.
I thought you had plenty of notice to.
Else.
B-roll.
Fucking Jesus. Nearly crashed into the back here.
I knew I should have come alone.
Fucking hell. Do the hubcap. You still got your indicator on.
Oh yeah.
That's why. Is a bit
That's why
confused.
I brought you see.
Oh shit, maybe it's not.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I know.
Jesus. Watch it, there's a... there's a sports car behind him.
Oh, yeah, no. I know you got... I know wiped off by his teammate.
Jesus. Racing.
Might get some B-roll here, Dave. Might get some B-roll of some proper bikers, not us. Come on, son. Oh, it's not even a biker, it's a caterer. Go on, son.
They're gonna cause an accident.
Dave, that is f***ing cool.
Oh, Craig, that's what they were doing. Didn't wave to me, you hooligans.
This is beautiful. One day, Dave, you know when we hit 5 subscribers and we're getting money coming in and we can potentially start reinvesting £3 back into the channel, then we might purchase a drone. And then after that, we'll also have to hire a glamorous assistant that can do the camera work.
If we're still in a year's time, we'll just get a kite. Oh, Craig.
Like,
That looks like that hill up there looks like one of your hemorrhoids. Right. This is an unplanned branch, but it looks awesome. We can't not go this way. Oh, look at that, man. That is Mount Cleaveridge. The only thing that's spoiling the view is Craig's arse. Are you recording? You should be, because this is something else. I think this is possibly going to end up being one of my favourite roads so far.
oh God.
Except for you being in front, that is.
The thing is, right, is you're riding along here, and there's such hidden crests that you have no idea where the road goes, and you
Yeah, no.
have no idea. And then the passing places are on the top of the hill, and the road's so wide, and you don't know if you're going to go left or going to go right. You've just got to make a decision.
It's a bit of a roller coaster of a ride, but I've thought of a new word that describes the route.
Oh, what's that?
Orgasmic.
Orgasmic. Oh,
Yeah.
that is a strong choice
It's
of
not
words.
a stupid word. It's
I
this
said I
ride
didn't
is
say stupid. That's a
orgasmic.
strong choice. Someone's got the right idea here.
Is that a coffee shop in front?
No, someone's no vacancies for jobs. Backstabbers.
Vacancies.
Ooh. No backstabbers, eh? Someone's been burnt in the past. Oh, Dave, man.
Was
look
that
at
like,
this.
Did it say no vacancies?
Yeah. No wonder if they just get a lot of hitchhikers.
Are you recording?
I am recording, yeah.
Because it would be nice to get the footage from the front rather than
My arse crack.
rather than your arse crack.
The arse. Oh, the arse feels so much better now.
I think this is one of the most enjoyable roads I've been on.
Come on, Red Leader. Come on, Red Leader.
Red leader standing by. Wow, look at this, Craig!
Whoa.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
I know, isn't it just?
All the way down here.
I wonder if the camera's picking up the angle of the road, how steep it is.
Oh, God. Yeah, it'd be like, if I had an exhaust, it would sound a lot better.
It's still going on, Craig. I don't want this road to end.
Jesus. Okay, well, we'll stay on a bit longer.
I don't think the road can get better than this for recording. Oh, it is like a roller coaster, isn't it?
I'm pleased we came down this road.
Oh, I'm so glad. I'm glad you spotted it as well, because I was just going to fly past it.
Oh God, this road, man.
I'm half tempted to turn around and do it again.
Let's shut Dave and Craig up for a moment so we can get a sense of the beauty of the landscape and roads in the Northwest Highlands of Scotland. The beauty of this region is truly captivating.
Oh my goodness me, it's the most fun you can have with your clothes on. We're gonna die!
This is it, you see. This is the reality of YouTube. Craig, pull over! We can't swallow. Ah! 6 hours later. And this is reason number 743 why you don't go on an adventure with a granddad. Dave, the lake is going to overfill. Could you not do that, please? Yeah, this is what you got to put up with every 2 minutes. It's the Iron Brew, apparently. Where's your bag? Where's your colostomy bag? Is that what you're emptying? You see what I mean? This is what you got to put up with. Bloody granddads, eh?
Now we're going to use the word orgasmic, because that's what this road is. It's orgasmic. Oh, that was... I know, isn't it? Watch the mud on the road. Yeah, when you get your girly bike dirty.
It's going to come on, is it?
Craig! I see it catches.
You were laughing at me for taking me time to angle a bike down the hill, and I was like, I'm not too sure about this.
Oh.
And I wish I had to look at the little chicken legs sticking out, like, oh, that's what I was meant to be there for. good job. You've got your sheep.
Ready?
Oh God, Jesus!
Right. Jesus, what we got in them?
You got in here? Just wanted to give the 3 subscribers an update on our. The bike has now erected itself. We've just been bickering about battery life, and we've been sat here for so long. It's now raining, and Dave's having a very nice and healthy drink. 0 sugar. What are you going to wash that down with? A couple of Haribo. Oh God. Oh. This is the view, just for the picture. This is the view. What you doing, Dave? What you doing here? I brought them. All right. Normally you use them on your neighbour to spy.
Oh. Just put a power bank in. I think that's how I'm going to have to roll for now. So I don't want to miss these roads. Should have done this in the first place, to be honest with you. I made the mistake of listening to Craig. Oh. Get me leg over. Whoa! Right.
God, it's such a nice road, man.
Yeah. The only word to describe this road is orgasmic.
Oh, what's going on here? Oh, Dave, we've got a kayaking club. Oh, yeah.
She pulled her pants down. I'm going back to watch that.
Wait a minute, what? Someone's trying to... No, this is the first time I've ever seen a queue for a telephone box.
Yeah. Well, it is fairly remote. They're queuing up for the box. He will answer my question in a second. It's because he doesn't listen to us. Hello! They're driving on.
Someone's coming quick, you automatically go to the left.
Right, okie doke.
I want you to get to the end of your holiday.
It's an absolutely gorgeous road.
Don't tell anyone.
I know it's like a hidden gem, isn't it? It's
No,
hidden.
it's not. See, in another couple of months, I could, quite honestly...
A lot of people, I would imagine so.
No,
I think a lot of the locals you hear like just uproar about it sort of thing, because especially with the camper vans wedging in and out.
see when you say somebody went up the hill with a toilet roll. That's why it's that way. And it's just
I know.
roundabout.
Locals. Yeah, we'll go. I know. Someone had to stop a car and speak to Dave about my driving standards. And so I was just being polite because I was at the passing place well before the lady, and I thought, you know what, I'll do something nice. I'll tuck in right so she can continue on, because she's probably had to stop a million times already. I thought, oh, I'll just do something nice. I'll tuck in so she can just continue on a merry way. Dave's hanging back on his little 50cc moped, so I thought I might as well just stop here and let Dave catch up, because he can only do 30. And then you do something nice to someone, and then all you do is just whinge. Someone... Was her name Karen? Did you just like the complaint? Fucking stop, because it's on your side and that's what you're meant to do, okay? So thank Karen for that. You try and do something nice. Try and be a nice... Listen, I was sharing the road space with a fellow user, and now she can go and off. Oh, I'm not. Did you get your Todger out? Is that what calmed it down? Hey, Dave, there's a passing place there. Get in there. That's on your side.
Is that speed camera? No, it's an ambulance, all right. Karen's had a heart attack. I can honestly say now, I've never had a more incredible riding day than this. It's been like this all day, hasn't it? More or less. Nothing's gonna live up to this. See, doesn't this feel already like a much more of a main road?
Oh, I can tell the difference.
Can't you tell the difference?
Yeah, it's like the white lines in the middle are painted, really donating which side of the road you need to be on.
I think it's at least 6 inches wider than what we've been on.
Oh, as a minimum. And everyone knows that that's 6 inches, right? Oh,
You're so whiny at times.
I know, I'm
that,
such a
don't you?
bitch.
You're such a bitch.
Such a whingy bitch. I mean, yeah, it is absolutely lovely. You know what it is, Dave? It's actually orgasmic. Stranger danger! Because I can hear the police sirens coming now. Yeah, it looks a bit commercialised. It's very, you know, spent. Alright. Looks like they spent some money along here. Oh, is it? Where does it come from? Do you know? Well, I've understood the concept of a ferry. I'm just wondering where they come from and to. Ah, I think they are. Alright. Alright. Where are we going? Do an Huey. Oh, we going? Yeah. Well, if the cops are going, we're going, aren't we? Cheers. I mean, we're part of the crew now. Yeah, we've got. You're an escort. I'm not an escort. Oh, what on the front? Yeah. All right. Okay. So, I've just had haddock and chips. You've just had sausage and chips at Liverpool. It was very nice, and now we're heading on to Gairloch.
Why don't you tell them the truth, Craig, and tell them you had 2 haddock and chips?
I did not have 2 haddock and chips. You're just jealous. You're just jealous. You were going to pay for the fish and chips, and you thought, right, I'll have the little chipolata because it costs £2.50.
I counted them, mate. There was 2 in there. She couldn't even shut the box.
How was your sausage? I know you're partial to a bit sausage-like. So how was it? Give us your expert opinion. Was it a good sausage? Was it girthy?
Look at that. Is that a hidden pyramid overhead? That's a pyramid. There's a conspiracy there, but that's a pyramid. Whoa! What the f***? Oh, there's more of them. Jesus, how do you get past this? Look at the size of them. Imagine that sticking in you. Mate, I'm a bit scared of these creatures now. That was a big pointy horn, that.
I am guessing we are coming into Gairloch.
You guessed correctly. This is Gairloch.
Oh, can you imagine sunset there?
I know, it's just overwhelming at times, isn't it?
Well, you left down here, we? I'll take it as a yes. Thanks for the heads up. Yeah, The Gairloch Hotel. This is the puppy. Ah, yeah. God, this is what I mean. This, like, funny. Like, proper funny. What, is that Dave? Is that a church overlooking the water that I just said 2 seconds ago? He doesn't listen. Does not listen to me. Look at all them bikers. Look, not taking up a parking space. And here we are, taking up a parking space.
Those. It's in me pocket. Fucking, this is what I'm dealing with. I've got it. Not only have I got to live my life, I've got to like relive yours just for your memory. Yeah. Can't take what. Oh, fuck, I'm using
Oh, I do like getting off.